What's up, Glam fam? Let's get my baby's hair done for the next 2 weeks. We are doing a Mohawk twisted style. So I am going to braid the sides like freestyle, different designs, and in the middle will be the twist. So I'm going to start by sectioning her hair in 3 parts, and then you'll see me twisting the middle section a few rows to make sure that it's full enough. Now her hair does tend to shrink once I twist it, so I am using this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. I think it's Aunt Jackie's, but you all will see it in the video in a second. Don't Shrink, so that her twist stays kind of springy and not so drawn up. So that's what I'm gonna do first, and once I get this middle section completed, then I am going to braid each side. I am braiding a few notches from the roots just so the hair doesn't unravel, which it typically doesn't, but the braid does give it a little more staying power, I guess. And so I braid a couple notches and then I twist it to the end. So thank you all for watching this video. Please stay tuned and watch to the end. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you know anyone who would like this style, please share this video with them. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. I'm not going to talk throughout the video, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I would love to give you a response.
And make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Sierra.
You know Jojo Siwa.
No Jojo Sierra.
Hey!
Is my eyes red, Mommy? A little bit? My
What
face.
side you like it on this side? You like it on this side or this side?
I like it on this side.
You like it on this side?
I mean this. Because this is the way to me.
I like it on this side.
Okay. Mom, you can do something to it. Mommy, I know what. Next time, I want to do something different to my hair.
Something like what?
Like, first you put, like, 2 bum-bums down. And then stick.
Alright, say peace. Tell them peace.
Peace, baby. Put you on your channel. Bye.